Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the monthly chart of Tower Resources Limited. Now this stock is listed in Canadian Stock Exchange. So there are different companies with the same name listed in different stock exchange. So this is the chart listed in Canadian Stock Exchange. Now if you are looking at this chart, you will see the stock over a period of time is sustaining or at least respecting a particular level, which is this one. You can see a straight line. So this is the line which has given support, or where the stock has taken support in the year 2008, 2009, somewhere near 2013, now exactly in 2021. So this is a very crucial line, but we can't hope with one line. So this is the range that we are looking here, and we can't go beyond this range. That is the first thing. So you have your first or immediate support of 0.04 and your stop loss of 0.02. So these are the two levels that you need to look at as far as the lower side, or as secure your lower end of the range. Now looking for an upside, you have actually two levels to look at. So you will have your immediate target of 0.07, then you will have your next target of 0.09. Beyond 0.09 you will have another set. Okay, beyond 0.09 you will have another set which will be in between 0.14 and 0.15. Once the stock started moving beyond 0.15, we will have our next target at 0.33, and beyond 0.33 the range which we are looking here, or the big range that we are looking here, will be in between 0.5 and 0.71. So these are the levels that we should focus on as far as the trend is concerned, and as you can see, all these levels are very much individual. Also, if you are looking at the absolute number, it may not looks very big, but what we are focusing on is in terms of percentage, and it's going to be a decent amount of move if you are calculating the movement in terms of percentage. So these are the levels. Actually we are focusing here on a swing which will probably come the way the stock is sustaining its previous level, and all these levels are going to be important for you. But as I told you, don't go below your support level or stop loss level, as this is very important in whatsoever conditions. If the stock satisfy certain condition, then only go for your stock. So you should have a system with which one should work. Sometimes system doesn't work, or sometimes system do fail, but if you don't have a system, then whatever we can do is a failure, and with certainty. So don't do these kind of things. Now I have explained you the levels. Hope it will help you to define your trend. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.